Hola, bienvenidos a Vision Stuttgart 2022. Estoy en la Feria Internacional de los Sensores de las Cámaras. Principalmente todas las aplicaciones que van a mostrarles en este video son aplicaciones industriales, pero muy interesantes, en algunos casos también relacionadas con la videovigilancia. Aquí acabo de sorprenderme, yo no conocía, existe también, por ejemplo, HIC Robot, que vendría siendo, para los que ya conocen, la HIC Vision. Pero acompáñame porque hoy te voy a sorprender con más de uno de los aparatos que están exponiéndose en esta feria.
So at IMEC we start from the wafer level, so we get the wafers from with image sensors, and we process our spectral filters on top with a pixel level accuracy. So that means that at every pixel we can produce or process a different spectral filter. And we have different patterns that we make on those filters. So we have, on the one hand, the typical RGB mosaic type of pattern, but then instead of the red, green and blue filter, we process narrow band spectral filters in a 3x3, 4x4 pattern onto the sensors. And then the other type is a line scan pattern. So that means that we process stripes of spectral filters onto the sensors. And here you see an example of this with like 150 different type of filters. And those we then integrate into our different type of cameras. So we take out one of those little pieces, we make a chip out of it together with one of our partners, and then we get them into one of the cameras. Okay, so here you see the smallest of our cameras. So this is, for example, the Redmir snapshot camera. So we have different flavors of those. We have one for the vis range, one of the red and near infrared, one for the near infrared, and then we also have them in the short-wave infrared range. So the benefit of that one is that you can do video rate imaging. So that means that you can, with one image, you get all the different spectral bands in one go. So instead of doing a scanning like with drone cameras, you just take one image, you get the full spectral information, and then if you measure your objects, you can just go outdoor, for example, and get spectral information from the whole scene. Then the other one is a SnapScan VNIF or SnapScan SWIR we also have. So that one is used to get very high resolution both spectrally and spatially. So this one can give you 150 spectral bands in a range of 470 to 900 nanometers. So you get very accurate spectral resolution, but also spatial resolution. So that is often used in research to first get an idea of what spectral bands do you need for a certain application, and then typically afterwards they go to the snapshot cameras so that you can go outdoor or in the field. And also this one you can becomes more affordable. You can have multiple for your different applications, so that can be very useful as well. Then another important thing is that we really value that our customers, that we help them through the process, so that we also teach them what type of illumination they should use, like in the visible and near infrared. We recommend these FLux broadband LEDs. We also partner with some software companies for the classification afterwards, such that we make sure that the integration of our camera with the post-processing tools is quite convenient for them. So we also want to make our customers successful in that way. And then at the other side, we have our SWIR cameras. So, excuse me. Okay. So here you see again a snap scan, SWIR camera and a snapshot camera, but then for the range from 1100 to 1650 nanometer. And that is typically used to distinguish between different materials. For example, here you see a demo with old and new Lego blocks, and you can differentiate based on the material that they used just from the spectra that you measure. And the other one is just a chocolate, where you can see different types of chocolate, different type of plastic that you can differentiate just based on the spectra. It's also used for sorting application, like different type of plastics, for example, recycling. So there's many different applications. We also do medical applications, less in SWIR, but for the veneer, for example, we do oxygenation, assisted surgery. So many different applications that we target, and the main thing is that we want to be to help our customers to be successful in their products.